Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that a lot of you have been curious about, the safety of the Voldic electric earwax removal device. Now, if you're like me, the thought of removing earwax can be both intriguing and a bit daunting. So, let's get right into it. Earwax. It's a natural part of our bodies, protecting our ears from dirt and bacteria. But sometimes, if you're prone to excessive earwax or just want to keep your ears clean, you might wonder about using a tool like the Voldic electric earwax removal. So, is this gadget safe? Let's go through everything you need to know before you make a decision. I've done my research, talked to experts, and even tried it out myself. So, you're in for a treat. First things first, the device is designed to remove earwax efficiently without the mess. This gadget works using gentle suction, which means no cotton swabs that can push wax deeper into your ear canal. But here's the catch. How does it work safely? The Voldic uses soft silicone tips to ensure that it doesn't irritate your ear. This is crucial because our ear canals are sensitive. You don't want to damage anything in there. Always ensure you're using the appropriate attachment and adjust the suction level accordingly. Now let's talk about safety precautions. Here's what I found. Before using the Voldic, make sure your ears are dry. Water can lead to more wax buildup and can cause complications. Also, if you have a history of ear problems, like infections or a perforated eardrum, you might want to skip this. Your best bet is consulting a healthcare professional. I dug into some user reviews. Some people rave about how effective and easy it is. For every recommendation, there's also caution. Just like with all devices, personal experiences vary. And also, here is what I found in their Facebook page reviews from Ear Cleaner equals brand new and leaking from the beginning. Support is not responding. Don't buy. So I reached out to Dr. Jones, an ENT specialist, to get a professional's take. Doctor, what's your stance on electric earwax removers?
Electric earwax removers can be safe when used correctly, but they're not for everyone. Overuse or incorrect usage can lead to issues, including irritation or potential damage to the ear canal.
Alright, you heard it from an expert. If you decide to try the Voldic electric earwax removal, make sure to stay vigilant and smart about it. And of course, if anything feels off, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. So, should you use the Voldic electric earwax removal device? My advice? Approach with care. It can be beneficial, but safety should always come first. If you're uncomfortable with the idea, traditional methods, like visiting a professional, are always a great choice. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video informative, smash that like button and subscribe for more health tips and product reviews. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and take care of those ears.